Baby, come on, let's play this new game on Roblox. Yes, I know, I know. It is a scary one. Well, sort of is. But it's a really short one, I promise. Yeah, okay. Okay, just hop in the game. Yeah. Oh, did the music scare you? Don't worry, nothing scary is gonna happen on day one. Let's just follow the game.
Let me get a food
I
number
know, right?
2.
The voice is so goofy. Yeah. You like the walking sound? Oh wait, there's news going on.
A known murderer has escaped from a maximum security prison. Witnesses say he escaped in a white pickup truck with tinted windows.
Oh damn.
If you
Whoa.
see this car, contact the police immediately.
What, the game? Oh, I can't really tell you about the game, darling. Just don't scream, please. Let's just keep playing the game and see if you actually get scared, cutie.
Can I have a food number 1?
Hey, look what I'm typing in chat. Yeah.
Give me food
Yeah, they
number
didn't blur that
3.
out. They didn't censor it. Don't know why, but I'm not complaining. There's a rat in the bathroom. Baby, you wanna catch that one? No? Alright, I'll get it. Baby, look what I have. Come here, come here. Stop running. Come here. Look. Dead rat. Yeah. Oh, new customer order.
Can I have
Oh,
a
food number 4. No, just feed them any type of food. Oh, there's a new order. Huh? The voice scared you? Don't worry, baby. Just give him the rat, he'll be done. Do you want to pick up the trash? Okay, take it. I'll be right behind you. Come on, it's just outside. Over here, baby. No, you're going to the bathroom. Over here. Yeah, come on, let's go. Are you scared? Come here. Did that really scare you? Cutie. Let's go in quick. There's a new customer order.
Can I have a food number 1?
You're kind of scared of the game? Baby, this game is hilarious. Trust me. Oh, next day. Well, you're not talking. Honestly.
Let me get a food number 2.
I like it. I like to see when you're concentrated. You have a cute face. Baby, I was gonna do that. It's fine. Come on, let's go mop in the bathroom. Oh yeah, just click on the puddle, like that. Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's go. Let's go. Baby, stop pushing me. Let's go.
Give me food
You
number
wanna take the
3.
right this time, baby? Okay. Let's go outside. Did the voice scare you? Let's just go. Don't worry about it. Wait, baby, come back. Go back in here. Don't leave. Did you just seriously go into the freezer? Yeah, I'm checking outside to see if it's gone. You were the first one to go head on head with it. Do you like the game? Oh, it's scary? You can do it, baby. You can do it. Don't worry.
Give me food number 3.
Oh, use this back in.
The killer who escaped the maximum security prison is still on the loose. If you have any information,
that's
contact
day
the
3.
police.
Oh, there's spiders in the freezer. Come on, let's go. No, you click on them. You don't step on them. Yeah, like that. Come on. Oh. Thank you for carrying me for a bit, babe. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Yeah. Haha. Hey, why'd you let me down?
Let me get a food number 2.
Well, the monster wants you. You're scared? Don't be, baby. Oh, the phone is ringing. Come on. Baby. Baby, come over here. Answer the phone. Yeah. Just wait for it. No, baby, don't go in the freezer. Hey, over here.
Hopefully it was just a
Yes,
false
near
alarm.
that safe.
If not,
Yeah, I got the gun.
employee of the month picture.
Well, we're gonna shoot the guy when he comes in, and hopefully he doesn't attack us. Yeah. Hey, don't leave me! Baby, don't listen to the screen. It's fine. Come here. Baby. No, you have to shoot it. No, come out, baby, come on. Come on, baby. Please. Baby. Come on. You're not that scared now, are you? Come on. Hey, the freezer door's already locked. Don't worry. There he is. Look, he's there. Baby, come here. I'm not gonna hurt you. I got him. See? He's dead. And that's it. Yeah, that's practically it, baby. I don't know why you were so scared, but you did it. It wasn't that scary, right? Yeah.
The murderer
But-
who escaped prison a few days ago has been caught.
You don't want to play another game with me?
Witnesses say that he
That
broke
scared
into his
you?
local sub-burger only to be stopped by a brave
Whatever
employee.
you say, baby.
The murderer
Whatever
has
you
been
say.
taken back to the
I
prison
love
until
you.
further notice.